Hello, welcome to Sky World. This is your weekly animal medicine message. And the card we pulled for this week's energy is the hummingbird. So I'm just going to read you a short few words. Hummingbird, joyful little sister, nectar you crave? All the sweetness of the flowers is the love you gave. Sweet little poem. So the hummingbird represents pure joy. This little bird is very high vibrational, fast moving. Its metabolism is very fast. When it's awake, it has to constantly be eating in order to keep its energy levels up. And to sleep, it actually has to almost go into comatose state to get the right amount of rest for the amount of energy that it puts out. This medicine helps us to solve the riddle of the contradiction of duality. So we have to remember that our sadness is our joy in another reflection. We have to try to embrace that. So the energy of this week will be calling for endurance and perseverance, and the hummingbird spirit can lend that to us. It shows us the example of conserving our energy so that we don't lose momentum. Something we have in common with this little bird, some of us, that they're very, very, very small and very, very, very strong. It's said that this little bird will chase an eagle away. So remember that this week when you're being attacked by an eagle, you can successfully chase him away. This energy will carefully protect and remain within its boundaries. So if you know about hummingbirds, how protective they are over there, let's say you have a bush in your yard that has a hummingbird will stake claim to that, and it will not let any other hummingbirds get near it. That's how it protects its boundaries, and it stays within its space around its flowers, and it keeps everyone else out fearlessly, I might add. So that might come up for us this week. They're very, very playful little birds, and they enjoy being alone and being free. So this might be a good week to take a little hike by yourself or disappear alone for a minute in the bathtub or whatever. These birds can fly backwards, forwards, hovering all around, and because of this ability they can see into the past. So a challenge for the hummingbird spirit is to not spend too much time and energy being caught up looking back at the past. Hummingbirds also can reflect to us emotional instability. Our emotions could be darting all over the place this week like a little hummingbird. And so let's do our best to remain centered and focused and well rested. As far as getting rest goes, whatever you need to do to make sure that you rest well, whether it's some white noise or some sleep music or a bath before bed or cutting out caffeine before bed. Be very mindful of the quality of your rest at this time. So something that maybe we should consider asking ourselves this week is our heart open? Can we receive the sweetness of life that the hummingbird is trying to bring us? Also, we can embody its badassness, right? This poor little mother bird lays 2 eggs and receives 0 help from her mate. So I bet you know a badass single mom, either had one, are one, know one. So we might need to channel their energy this week and be that badass. The hummingbird is also a master architect. Its little designs and building its nests are completely unique. No two are alike. And also the number of this card is number 44, which I thought was significant since it's some master builder numbers. So if you'll take some time to come into the present moment with me right now, we'll take a quick jump into the hummingbird energies and embrace it on a little shamanic journey. Hummingbird spirit, we know we can call on you when our mood needs to be lifted. You come like a ray of sunshine on a rainy day, as your vibration awakens the medicine flowers. We're going to affirm, if you'll repeat after me. I am happy. I am joy. I am optimistic. I protect my healthy boundaries. I am light. I am love. I am amazed by the wonders of life. I marvel at the nature that surrounds me. I have a high vibration. I am present in this moment. I am resilient. I am free. I am content, and my heart is open. Hummingbird spirit, you bless us with joy and enthusiasm and help us to taste life's succulent nectar. As we enjoy Creator's many gifts. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So be it, so it is. Aho. May pure joy be yours this week with the hummingbird spirit.